Hello and welcome back to another new video. This video is going to be the subject-wise strategy for NEET preparation. So I am making this video in English because many people are watching from different regions. All of you will be getting benefited if I make it in English. So I'll be explaining you about the subject-wise strategy for physics, chemistry and biology with a basic step-by-step approach. What are the steps to ace it and everything. In this video, I have also explained you about what resources to use, what lectures to watch, and how to remember what you study, and all frequently asked questions regarding physics, chemistry and biology separately. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. So first, physics. For physics, the basic approach is to watch lectures, take notes, make formula sheets and practice more questions, and then take chapter-wise tests. For lectures, you can follow the Nexus batch from Physics Wala English Medium channel for 11th standard. And for 12th standard, you can follow Vedantu NEET English or Unacademy NEET English. And Tamil people, you can also watch Brainy Medic NEET Tamil channel. The important thing you must remember while preparing physics is formula sheets. You must prepare formula sheets for every chapter as soon as you complete the chapter and revise them every day. It may be in the morning or in the night before you go to sleep, but revise formula sheets for at least 15 to 30 minutes every day so that you will be thorough with the formulas. It will be helpful to increase the speed and accuracy of problem solving. You must also include graphs and diagrams like free body diagram, circuit diagram and everything in your formula sheets to do quick revisions, and that will be helpful to you to solve diagram based questions also. And many people ask if reading NCERT essential for physics or not. Yes, it is essential because from NCERT we get some theoretical questions also. We must also focus on important points, laws, definitions, derivations and also diagrams, graphs and importantly the example problems. We must first solve the example problems and then go to other MCQs so that we will be able to answer the basic example questions asked directly from the NCERT. And then resources to use. We have NCERT at your fingertips by MTG, which is completely enough if you are starting from the basics and you need quality questions. And if you have any coaching material also, you can use that. If you want to study deeply into the topic or concepts and need more high-level questions, you can go with DC Pandey or HC Verma. And the next thing is attending tests. You must attend a test after you complete every chapter, and you must analyze the mistakes you made in the tests and try to rectify them. And you can also clarify doubt and keep a session like doubt solving session to clear your doubts immediately after you complete the chapter so that you will not be lagging in the chapter after the completion of portions during the revision time. And while solving problems, set time limits to improve your speed and accuracy. And other common doubts and questions many people ask are I cannot understand or remember the concepts completely. This is because you haven't completely studied the chapter with full focus and also you didn't understand the topic fully. So you must concentrate on the specific topic while you study that, and you must study step by step and understand every line and every specific point so that you will be thorough with that concept, and that will also help you in problem solving. And some people also say that they can understand the concept properly but cannot solve problems. That is because you are not good at maths, that is basic math, or else you are not thorough with the formulas. So first build a foundation through basic math and also practice a lot of questions in that formula and practice the formulas every day. That will help you to do problems well. And some of you have also asked what is the order to study, which chapter should I complete first and everything. So first you should be thorough with the basic math. So watch a lecture for basic math and get thorough with it. Then start the units and dimensions. Then go with the flow, like follow the index of NCERT so that you can go with the perfect flow. So that you will not miss the basic chapters and then the high weightage chapters and the related chapters. And the ratio of time you should allot for theory and problems is 40 is to 60 percentage. So you should allot 40 percentage of your time to study theory and 60 percentage to the problem solving. So that's all about physics. If you have any more doubts also, you can comment down. Now let's move to chemistry. So in chemistry, I'll explain you separately for physical, organic and inorganic chemistry. So first, physical chemistry, the most of the strategy is similar to physics. And for physical chemistry, you can watch lectures from Unacademy NEET English, Wasim sir, and you can take notes and solve problems, make formula sheets and revise them regularly, that is daily, and solve MCQs and PYQs. Take a chapter-wise test and analyze the test and avoid your mistakes. And for physical chemistry also, you must read NCERT for laws, key points, definitions and example problems. And you should split your study time into 40% for theory and 60% for problem solving. Next, let's move to organic chemistry. For organic chemistry also, you must watch the lectures, take notes and practice questions. Use mind maps and cheat sheets to revise daily and remember the naming reactions, mechanisms and important points. You can prepare your own mind maps or flashcards, or you can get them online like in the Telegram channels. You can join our Telegram channel and group so that I will also provide you with some free flashcards or mind maps. And for organic chemistry also, question practice is important so that you can remember and get to know about all the type of questions. Especially assertion and reason type questions are helpful to know how well you remember the reactions. And for lectures, you can watch Unacademy NEET English, Vedantu NEET English, also from Physics Wala English and Brain Medic NEET Tamil for Tamil students. And the time allotment for organic chemistry should be like 50% for theory and 50% for question practice. Next, we'll look at inorganic chemistry. For inorganic chemistry, NCERT is the key because we get factual questions like the trends, periodic trends and everything. So reading line by line of NCERT is important for inorganic chemistry. And memorization is also needed. You can use mnemonics and tricks to remember all the factual questions, facts, trends and everything. And the steps to study inorganic chemistry is to watch lectures, take short notes which have only the key points and the facts, trends and everything, and practice questions, read NCERT thoroughly and make mind maps and flashcards and revise them regularly, revise the facts to remember them, practice more questions and take tests. You must also include specific points like exceptions like the anomalous behavior and everything in your mind maps or flashcards so that it will be helpful for you to do quick revisions. And now the time allotment for inorganic chemistry is 70% for theory and only 30% for questions, because reading line by line of NCERT is very essential, as I have already mentioned. And the order to study chemistry is first complete mole concept, then atomic structure and chemical bonding before you go to other chapters in physical chemistry. And inorganic chemistry, you must first complete periodic classification, and for organic chemistry you must first complete GOC, that is general organic chemistry. And another thing I wanted to tell you is for chemistry we have P block elements from 11th standard and 12th standard portions of the old NCERT. So refer the old NCERT for those two chapters alone. And for question practice, you must first complete the NCERT examples and then you can use NCERT at your fingertips by MTG, which have quality questions, and for high level questions you can go with Cengage. And that's all about chemistry. Let's move to biology. For biology, as we have already know, NCERT is the key. So we have to read line by line. We have to cover all the nook and corners of NCERT for biology. So first watch lectures, then read NCERT lines completely and take short notes with important points, examples and some diagrams so that you will be so that it will be easy for you to revise them quickly. And also make mind maps which will be useful to you. And practice questions and then take chapter wise tests. And the order to study the chapters is like you have to complete a whole unit first and then move to the next unit. If you do like this, you will be completing the related chapters together. And for notes, you must keep the notes very concise and point wise, and you should highlight the key terms, diagrams, cycles, and most importantly examples. You can make flowcharts for examples alone for biological classification, animal kingdom and plant kingdom chapters and all. We have many examples. You can make flowcharts for those chapters containing only examples for specific categories, so that it will be helpful during the revision. And while reading NCERT for biology, you must focus on key terms, cycles, diagrams, examples and tabular columns. From these sections also we get a good amount of questions. And for lectures, you can watch Unacademy NEET English, Vedantu NEET English, and for Tamil, Biology Simplified Tamil. So these lectures are comparatively good as I have heard from many people and I have also used them. And another important point you must note while studying biology is to avoid overloading. Don't just read everything and get your mind blocked. So study step by step, chunking the topics, like first studying one topic and then moving to the next topic. Understanding the concepts deeply will be helpful to avoid overloading, and include breaks to refresh so that you will not get overloaded by the concepts. And the time allotment for biology will be 60% for theory and 40% for question practice. And the order to study the chapters is the index order, which is really best to focus on the basic chapters, then the high weightage chapters. And for question practice for biology also, you can use NCERT at your fingertips by MTG, which is completely NCERT based, and the questions are really good in quality. We have previous year questions also, and we have assertion and reason type questions and the type of questions asked in previous exams and everything, so you can follow that. And for biology, we have to study these chapters from the old NCERT book to cover all the topics. The living world, morphology and anatomy of flowering plants, structural organization in animals. So that's it. I hope I have covered everything. If not, do comment down. I'll tell them in the upcoming videos. And if you have any other doubts also, do comment down, and you can join the Telegram group and channel, WhatsApp community, and you can connect me through Instagram also for any help or guidance. And thanks for watching until the end. If you feel this video is useful to you, share it to your friends also, and give me a like to motivate me to make more videos like this. And do subscribe and stay tuned for more such videos. Let's grow together.